Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. Got a new Chase debit card and want to start using it? Before you can use your card, you'll need to activate it. In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Chase debit card, and I'll also explain the other activation options if you don't want to activate it online. If you recently opened a Chase checking account or received a new Chase debit card, activating the card is an important first step before using it for everyday purchases or ATM transactions. The good news is that Chase currently provides several ways to activate your debit card. Let's go through them step by step. Method 1. Activate a debit card by phone. To activate your debit card, call the bank's card activation number, which you can usually find on the activation sticker on the front of your card. Once you call, simply listen to the prompts and follow the instructions to complete the activation. If you need help, you can also speak with a customer service representative either over the phone or at your bank branch. And if you've misplaced the activation sticker, don't worry. You may still be able to activate your debit card by calling the customer service number on the back of your card. Method 2. Activate a debit card online. Another option is to activate your debit card digitally through your bank. Simply visit the website shown on the activation sticker or sign in to your bank's official website. Keep your debit card nearby as you may need to enter some card details. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Method 3. Activate a debit card at an ATM. You can also activate your debit card at your bank's nearest ATM. Simply insert your debit card and enter the 4-digit PIN provided by your bank. Then, follow the instructions shown on the ATM screen to complete the activation. Once you finish the steps, your debit card should be ready to use. Here is an important security reminder. Never share your full debit card number, PIN, password, or one-time verification code with anyone claiming they can activate your card for you. Use the official Chase website, the Chase mobile app, a Chase ATM, or the official phone number provided by Chase. What if your card still doesn't work? If you completed the activation process but your card still isn't working, don't immediately assume that the card is defective. Check that you're using the correct card, make sure your account is accessible, and review any messages or alerts from Chase. If you still need help, use the official Chase customer service or debit card support options. Chase's debit card help center currently includes tools for activation, replacement, locking and unlocking a card, and changing a PIN. So, if you have a new Chase debit card, you can activate it online by calling Chase at 1-800-298-3935 or by using a Chase ATM. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more simple Chase Bank how-to videos. And if you're having another problem with your Chase debit card, check out our other Chase Bank videos for step-by-step solutions.